This video serves to explain how to install the SourceIT man module. You first need to go and download the actual man product itself. There is another video which explains this process of downloading it via the website. Once you've downloaded this, you will see the download instruction video is available to explain how to do the physical downloads. Once you've downloaded the file, it comes in the form of a zip file. You simply copy that and paste it in the Syspro base upgrade folder on the server. Once you have pasted into the Syspro base upgrade folder, you log into Syspro as an admin. You'll get the prompt like this to tell you that the upgrades are waiting for update. You select yes to proceed, and you're presented with the following screen. This is the man software installation package, certain information about it. You must simply install custom packages. Installation custom packages has complete. Okay, and you get logged out of Syspro. Now, just to explain, the initial setup is going to be setting up options such as menus, program permissions, as well as anything that needs to re-index. In the Syspro plugin custom store folder are these cus.imp files. If I was to open up the cus.men, you will see that it currently has our BTS bank translation system installed. So on a previous install, this is what was populated into there. You could see there's none of the man module information. I'm showing you this. I'll come back just now and show you how this file gets updated as part of the process to get the menu in place. Close that for now. Let's log back into Syspro. Once logged back into Syspro, we want to run a SourceIT program called SITINI. Say OK. A screen as such is presented. You select Create Menu, Create Security Access, and Create Reindexing of Files, and say OK. I have previously installed this process, so now it's just asking if I must overwrite some of the processes. This message would only happen if you were installing for a second time. Just say yes. Installation complete. You'll now be logged out of Syspro. Log back into Syspro again. Logging back into Syspro again. Okay, when you log back into Syspro, you'll see here is the man menu structure that was created. If we go and have a look at the cusmen.imp file that we spoke about just now, show you how it's been updated, you can now see that that menu structure is residing inside this folder. cusprg would also have been updated. You can see here are the files. You're able to give permissions. This represents the completion of the man installation, and you may proceed with setups, maintenance, cross-references, etc., etc. Please note that from the date of physically installing the man product on a machine, there is a built-in 30-day evaluation license allowing for conversion of a single code for testing purposes and evaluation. Thank you.